Down on the savannah, every animal knows what they need to survive.
Junior? Yes, Mum? Have you seen your father? Dad went to get water.
Not another step!
Oh, Billy.
Hey, everything's under control, my turtle dove.
Now,
It's the water that flows down the mountainside. It should have got here by now.
to save their home,
My family needs water. And you're coming with me.
the animals are joining forces.
Let's just do what we know how to do, laying around and killing time.
And together, they're unstoppable.
Haven't you idiots got anything better to do?
No.
No.
They're about to discover
The water holes are running dry.
that solving even the biggest problems
The water's trapped way up in Leopard Canyon.
just takes a little help from your friends.
A polar bear in Africa.
And, chicken.
A garlic cockerel is no mere chicken. Give me five.
Animals United.
And that's why we have to do something.
Get ready for the survival of the fittest.
But without water, all that awaits us is certain death.
What's plan B?
How does running sound to you?
Here it comes! Sorry, I can't think of a better argument for good, clean outdoor living. Showtime!
My dad's just one of a kind.
Animals United in 3D.
Mankind treats us like animals! Could be good.